Are you ready to turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality? Picture this: you in the driver's seat, making smart trades, growing your wealth, and living your best life. But before you get there, you need to understand cryptocurrency. Because trust me, it's a world you can't afford to ignore. Today, we're diving into the essentials of crypto, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start trading, avoid the biggest mistakes beginners make, and maybe, just maybe, change your financial future forever. Make sure to stick around, because we're about to drop some truth bombs that could flip your perspective on crypto completely. Let's get started. Point 1. What is cryptocurrency? First things first, what is cryptocurrency? It's digital money, no physical coins, no bills, just data. But what makes it stand out is its technology, blockchain. Think of it like an unbreakable ledger that keeps track of every transaction. And no, it's not some mythical creature or scam like you've probably heard. It's actually a safe, transparent way to exchange money, and it's decentralized, meaning no government or bank is in charge. It's your money. You're in control. Now that you know what crypto is, let's talk about how to actually get some of it. Point 2. How to buy cryptocurrency. Buying crypto is easier than you might think. It's as simple as signing up on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, platforms where you can buy, sell, and store your digital coins. You can use regular money to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even smaller altcoins. And here's the best part. Once you've bought it, you own it. So no, you can't just use your crypto to buy pizza yet. But hey, who knows? In a few years, maybe you can. Make sure you're using a trusted exchange, and always double-check fees. They can sneak up on you, and trust me, you don't want to lose money on transaction fees. Alright, you've bought your first coins, exciting, right? But now comes the real question. How do you protect your investment? Point 3. Securing your cryptocurrency. Crypto is digital, and that means you need to take security seriously. Hackers target crypto wallets, so keeping your investments safe is a top priority. One key step: use a hardware wallet. It's like a vault for your coins stored offline where hackers can't reach it. Also, always enable two-factor authentication. It's a small extra step that could save you big headaches later. And remember, never share your private keys with anyone. If someone asks for them, they're probably not your friend. Now that your crypto is safe, let's talk about how to grow it, because you didn't come here just to hold on, right? Point 4. How to start trading. Here's the fun part: trading. Crypto markets are volatile, meaning prices go up and down fast. It's a high-stakes game, but if you play your cards right, the rewards can be huge. Start with small amounts. Test the waters. Buy low, sell high. Easy enough, right? Don't panic during market dips. They happen. The key is patience. Trade with a strategy, whether it's short-term or long-term holding. And remember, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick formula in crypto. It takes time, knowledge, and a little bit of luck. Okay, so you're trading. What's next? How do you manage risk so you don't end up losing your hard-earned cash? Point 5. Managing risk and avoiding. Let's get real. Risk is a part of crypto, but don't let it scare you. The most important thing you can do? Avoid emotional trading. Fear and greed are your worst enemies. The market goes up, it goes down, it's normal. Another huge mistake? FOMO, fear of missing out. Just because your friends are talking about some coin doesn't mean you should jump in. Always do your research first, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Because, my friend, the key to success in crypto isn't about being a millionaire overnight. It's about building a strategy that works for you. We've covered a lot of ground today, but here's the big question you should be asking yourself. Is cryptocurrency the right investment for you? What if I told you there's a secret about crypto trading that most people don't know? Something that could change the game completely. I will reveal that in the next video, so make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't miss it. Remember, crypto isn't just about money. It's about taking control of your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll unlock the secret to successful crypto trading.